Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a huge Cyber Monday, Black Friday, PR collective haul. These are my favorite videos to watch, so I am so excited to be filming one. Make sure that you subscribe to see more videos and hopefully more unboxings. So I guess we should just get into it. I think I'm gonna start with this Ulta bag. Obviously this was like in store. So first thing are these little like face headbands for when you like wash your face in the morning or at night to cover like your hair. They're literally huge though. Like, let me show you. Hold on. Like, literally my whole head. So my hair will not be getting wet anymore. Then I got the Eva NYC Brass to Sass Brunette Shampoo. I've been wanting to try this for so long, and it's been out of stock like literally everywhere. I haven't been able to find it, so I'm so excited to try this. I cannot wait. I'm gonna wash my hair tonight because I have slicked back bun in, so you know I have the wax and everything. So I'm really excited to try this. The next thing that I got is this Bali Body Gradual Face Tan. I'm really excited to try this too. It has like the little pump, because I've been using the Saint Tropez one forever, but I'm like running out of it, so I figured I'd try this one. The next thing is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip. What is this? This is like the gloss. I have the lip balm that I love. I got this after getting the Orchid, I think, the lip gloss. I think this is a lip balm. I'm obsessed with these. They smell amazing. Okay, so the next two things are body scrubs. These are from Tree Hut in Exotic Bloom and Moroccan Rose. I'm obsessed with body scrubs and like anything shower, like scented. I love anything like that, so I needed two more of those. And then this was actually an online purchase from the Summer Friday store. I had to get another Summer Fridays lip butter balm in vanilla because my dog chewed the first one. So yeah. And then I just got the Loctane hand cream. This is supposed to be really good hand cream and it's winter. Okay, so that's everything from Ulta. Where should I go next? Let's just take this one. Okay. So this is from Amazon, obviously. I don't remember, like I know what I bought, but I don't know which package they're in. Spoolies. Okay, I needed more of these. I was running out of these. I don't even know how many are in here. This is like a lot. Let's do one of these. I really want to invest in like a bedazzled box cutter because the scissors are not cutting it. Ooh, okay, so these are box cutter needed. These little gold bracelets. Let's do the fun PR one because I know that this is PR. I think there's two PR in this haul from like this week. So the first one, let's see. Like, I really could cry. So freaking cute. The Clinique X College Fashionista team. Oh my god. They have like confetti, a little notepad, chocolates, a little like party. Cute. This is like a little champagne glass, and wait, stop. And this, thank you so much, Clinique and College Fashionista, and this is literally like, it's so special every single time. My dog is watching me and he's freaking out with all this packaging. Okay, so I'm going to take this one now. This is from Amazon too. I really went heavy on Amazon with the Cyber Monday and Black Friday sales and deals. Okay, this is fun. This is fun. So we have the makeup sponges that everyone and their mother and grandmother and distant cousin use. So I thought I'd try them. Then this, if you don't have this, you seriously need to get this. This is the best, like, deep cleansing oil to take your makeup off. It has, like, special packaging on. The other one is just, like, plain clear packaging by DHC. And it's seriously amazing. This is a mini of the Sol de Janeiro pink cream. I really wanted to try it. I heard that it smells really good, so that's basically why I got that. This I'm really excited to try. This is for your face. This is a cleansing optical rejuvenation device. It has like blue light, red light, like heats up. There's different modes and levels. I don't know. I need to read the instructions on this and I will come back and let you know if it's good or not. This Amazon package Okay, this one, you're either gonna love them or you're gonna literally hate them. I think they're the cutest things ever. I have never had a pair of Crocs, and these are me in Crocs, okay? These are me. Like, they're me. I saw them and I was like, I just need these. Are you kidding me? With the fuzzy purple fur on the inside? I've never had Crocs. And I will be wearing them all the time. Thank you. We'll do one of these. So this is a curler set. When I do my blowouts, I like to curl the bottoms and pin them up for a little bit. And again, Finn chewed my curlers, so I need to buy new ones. And this comes with like a little comb, like to help you separate. And it also comes with the clip inside to clip the curlers. I think this one is a boring one. Like, it's for camera stuff. I don't think it's any, yeah. So this is a hard drive. It's a 5 terabyte hard drive because my computer is, I can't even talk about it. This was probably the most expensive thing in this whole haul. As crazy as that sounds. But this I really, really, really needed for editing and filming. So this one, I don't know what's in at all. I couldn't even guess. Okay, so this is actually another boring one as well. These are two 64 gigabyte SD cards. This is obviously for filming. And this is, what is this? Oh, these are a whole set of clips, just plain to clip back my hair when I'm getting ready. I actually really, really needed more of these. Okay, so the second PR package is from Express. I know because it says Express. I worked with them in November on a Instagram campaign, and I'm working again with them in December, so thank you so, so much. I'll show you a little sneak peek. They sent me really cute pieces. I'm not gonna open it like fully yet because I need to film and everything for them, but it's this like chunky off-white like cream sweater, which I'm so excited about. And then these are a pair of heels. You literally can't see what they are, but you're just gonna have to go on my Instagram and see the reel that I make for them. But yeah, these are a pair of shoes, and I'm so excited to style this. So thank you so much, Express, again. I love working with you guys. You guys are the best. So now let's do this huge pretty little thing. I don't remember what I ordered. I really, really don't. And this is sad because it was like a week and a half ago that this order was placed. This is literally like a mystery box. Okay, this is cute. The first thing is this little sweater with this like cut in the front. Very, very cute, very soft. I like this. I love my crew neck, so this is just a plain tan crew neck. This is also really, really soft. This is perfect for like layering or just wearing with like sweatpants, jeans, whatever. This, oh boy, I don't even, how do you explain this? We're just gonna have to try her on. But it's a bodysuit, like a jumper bodysuit. Well, yeah, it's a full bodysuit actually. It's that like rib stretch material. We'll try it on. We'll see. Then, just this plain little gray crop top. I love wearing these to bed. They're like so soft and comfortable. Here are the matching sweats to that tan pullover that I showed you. So these are the matching sweats. This one's really pretty. I'm excited to wear this. So this is like this long, like I don't know how you explain it. Collared like dainty shirt that you wear like either like a lace bralette underneath or like if you want you could wear like a white tank, whatever. I probably wouldn't wear a white tank underneath that, but still. I'm excited to like try and style that because I feel like that's a challenging piece to style, so we'll see what I can come up with. These are just a basic black pair of jeans with a rip in them. This is just a little black top with ties on the side. I thought it was like super cute. I like the detailing. I don't know if you can really see. It's really soft too. All their clothes are really, really soft. And this last is another little pink, same as a gray, little like sleep shirt. I wear them as sleep shirts. They're little crop tops. And then there's this one little package they sent along with the huge one. Cute. This is just a gray bodysuit, just very plain. It has like little cinching in the back. So we have 2 packages left, one Amazon, and then this is an Addicted package. I've never ordered from Addicted before, so I'm excited to see how the quality of the clothes is, if they like look the same as they did online and in the pictures and stuff. I saw this online and was like, I need this. And this is a size small. Why is it like literally huge? Love my sweatshirts oversized, so this is perfect. Oh my god. I love it. The next thing in here is this little crop top, this long sleeve. I think it's like perfect, again, just jeans, like whatever. I love like simple things that you could like either dress up, dress down. The next is just this oversized t-shirt. I really, really, really like it. I love oversized t-shirts. They're like one of my favorite things to wear. And they have really cute ones on the site. And the last thing in this Addicted package are these green, like camo green sweatpants. Again, very plain, something you can wear with like a bunch of different things. Now we have the last package from Amazon. I'm pissed because I thought I ordered the big size. Like, what? But this is the Paula's Choice Toner. This literally makes your skin look like glass. What? Oh, I know what this is. This is a hair crimper, and I am so excited to try this. I don't know if my hair is going to look terrible with this or like amazing, but I'm really, really excited. And of course I had to get the light pink, like obviously, but this is gonna be so fun to play with. It's a little scary, to be honest. I need to like figure out how to use that. And the last thing is this makeup brush. It's dual-sided. It's from, I'm just gonna link it. I don't know how to say this. This is perfect for like foundation and then like blending in concealer or contour even. I love this. So that was my haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And thank you to Express and Clinique and College Fashionista again for sending me such cute packages. I love you guys, and working with you guys is amazing. If you want to see more unboxing hauls and other videos from me, subscribe. Other than that, I'm going to clean up this entire mess because my room looks like a bomb went off. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!